Welcome to Showmex Studio. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the trending AI videos like this one.
Guys, you can't even imagine. Satan just asked me to turn a stone into bread. I swear I had to hold myself before I turned him into bread too. Guys, he took me to the top of the temple and asked me to jump. Imagine, he's coming again. I'll keep you guys updated.
Burn the witch! Burn the witch!
I have the power to make your man last 7 hours in bed.
Release the witch! Release the witch!
Auntie, is this snow?
It's snowing in Lagos. Thank you, AI.
Lagos.
Yes, real Lagos, not Canada Lagos.
Buy power bank. Oh, this one can charge your phone and end your life. No light, no wahala. This one will charge your village.
Creating AI videos is simple. SureMex Studio will show you how to create these AI videos. Ensure you subscribe, like, comment, and share.
For this creation, we'll be using Flow AI. So you go to your browser and then you type Flow AI. Whichever one you use, I'm using Chrome. So this is my Chrome browser. And when you search it, you click on this one here. When you click on it, it will open up. This is it. This is what Flow interface looks like. Then you continue with Flow. Click on it. When you click continue with Flow, it will open up definitely. Yes, like this. And then you go ahead and then click get started. So you click on get started and it will open up like this. You sign in with your Google account. This platform is not free, but you can use it for free for 1 month. And then you cancel it before the date you're given and you will not be charged. So before the end of this video, I will show you how you can have access to this platform for free for 1 month. So stay till the end. So go ahead and read this thing and then click at least one and then click next. Next, it will take you to this privacy policy. So you click continue and then it will open up this new project. So here you go. So click on new project and then the space will open up like this. Wait, let it load. So it says generate a video with text. So it's more like enter your prompts. Before we talk about the prompts, let me show you a few things you will need to change. Make sure you do not forget, else your video may come out without any sound. First, make sure that it is a text to video here. And then you see where you have these 3 dashes before. You click on it. And then you have other options coming out. You see where you have output per prompt, make it 1. And then you go to the model and make it VEO3. And you have 2 options of VEO3 there. Take the first one, VEO3 fast. That will have, you see, you have to spend 20 credits. But for the other one, it will be 100 credits, so no. And if it is at VEO2, it will not have sound. And the quality will be a bit lower. And then the other VEO3, that needs 100 credits. Of course, you shouldn't go there. But for that one, you'll be able to use your own voice, your custom voice, and the rest. So we are working with VEO3 fast. So we'll go ahead to paste our prompt. So for prompting, you have 2 options. Either you make the prompt by yourself or you use AI to generate a prompt for you. But if AI is here to help, why not? I'll be dropping this prompt in the description, and at the end of this video, I will tell you how to get your own prompt right. I want us to create a story, a Bible character of the 21st century Bible characters. For this one, we'll be using Jesus, the temptation of Jesus. So I'm just going to paste this prompt. You get to see this prompt. It is in the description, and I will still show you how I got this prompt. So we'll just go ahead and then paste it. When we paste it, we'll send. At first, I think I should let you know this. I encountered some problems here generating this prompt because my prompt had an image in it. So I removed the emoji in my prompt and then send it again. So you send by pressing the arrow and then it started generating. Let's send. Yes. So while it's generating, a quick one. If you've watched up to this point, I appreciate you. Thank you. And please subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. And if there is anything you want me to, talk about, you encounter any challenge, do not hesitate to let me know. And also do well to give this video a thumbs up.
Guys, you can't even imagine. Satan just asked me to turn a stone into bread. I swear I had to hold myself before I turned him into bread too.
So we got this for the first clip. Now, it's important to note that VEO3 does not produce more than 8 seconds video. So if you're going to make a longer one, you have to do it, bit by bit. Now, the problem or the question is, how do you keep your characters consistent to, generate the same video again? All you can do is you use the same character, you use the same prompts for the image. That's what I did. And then the only difference was what the character will say. So you can see that the first one and the next one have the same features because the prompt is the same. The only difference is what the character is saying. So this way, I'll be able to get the same. If there is any difference, it will be slightly. There is another method. This method, you click on this dot over here and reuse the prompt. Is the same thing. You just reuse it, the same prompt. Edit where you have the words the character said. It's just the same thing, like copying it on your clip and then changing it, or telling the AI to generate the same prompt but with the different words. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand. All right, so when your video has finished generating, to download your video, you click on this download arrow, this arrow facing down, and then you click on original size. When you click on it, it will download straight to your gallery. Now let's play the second clip.
Guys, he took me to the top of the temple and asked me to jump. Imagine, he's coming again. I'll keep you guys updated.
So you see the consistency between the first character or the first clip and the second one. So that's what I mean. And for this, I used a different prompt. I actually told the AI, like I generated another prompt, but I kept everything about the character the same, apart from the environment. If I had just changed only what the person was saying, the environment, but I did the changing on the environment and what the person said, but the character remained the same. That was how I was able to achieve this consistent character. Now let me show you another one, because I do not want this video to be long. I'll just show you one more quickly. If you get to generate with VEO2, this is what it will look like. Make sure it is a text to video, and then you click this other part and you change it. It was already at VEO2. We leave it at VEO2 and we paste our prompt and we go ahead to generate. Let's see what it will look like if we use VEO2. While it's generating, I hope you've subscribed. I hope you've given us a thumbs up. Okay, this is it. See, there is no sound. There is no audio in VEO2. And you see what the quality looks like. So that's why you should always make sure you use VEO3. So I went ahead and regenerated it, changed it from VEO2 to VEO3. Yes, and it gave me this one.
Buy power bank, oh. This one can charge your phone and your life. No light, no wahala. This one will charge your village.
So I hope you understand now the difference between VEO2 and VEO3. And if you eventually create yours and it doesn't have a sound, know that you use VEO2. So just change it right away. Let's move to how to get your prompt. And after that, I'll be showing you how to access Flow AI for free for 1 month. Okay, to generate this prompt, I use ChatGPT. Yes, I use ChatGPT. I went on to ask ChatGPT some questions first, I asked ChatGPT if it knew
the training Bible stories, and ChatGPT searched and then came up with different. In fact, it was telling me history about it though. So I told ChatGPT I wanted to create mine, and it suggested different characters: Jonah, Daniel, Jesus calming the storm, and all of that. But then I came up with something else. I told ChatGPT I wanted to use Jesus, and it suggested Ethan, and I told ChatGPT no. Before then, I had told ChatGPT that I want this character to be consistent all through. I asked ChatGPT if VEO3 can keep characters consistent. It said no, except I'll have to use other tools like the ID, aging, and the rest of them. So after I had told ChatGPT I wanted to do the temptation of Jesus, ChatGPT came up with this prompt for me, but I did not want to use this one. So instead, I told ChatGPT what the character will say. Gave this to ChatGPT. It edited it and gave me back. I told ChatGPT that I want this man, which is Jesus, to talk into the camera like a selfie form, saying, "Guys, you can't even imagine. Satan asked me to turn stone into bread. I had to hold myself before I even turn him to bread too." So I wanted the character to say that, and ChatGPT said that was good and edited it. So the same thing happened for the second character. I also told ChatGPT what my character will say. I'll drop this prompt in the description. I'll drop all the prompts for the videos I've used for this video in the description, so you could go ahead to use it, edit it to suit you, and also play around with ChatGPT, create yours, and let me know when you do and if you will. And next, let's move forward to how to access Flow AI for free for 1 month. We'll be using Google Gemini. So on your browser, on your Chrome browser, whichever one you use, go ahead and type Google Gemini, and then you search. When you search, it will appear like this. So you go ahead and click Google Gemini, and then it will open up. If you do not have an account, you will have to sign up. I already do, but I'm not in the pro plan, so I'll have to upgrade. That's why you're seeing this. So to use Google Gemini, you have to pay 28,500. I'm a Nigerian, but it is free for the first 1 month. And if you cancel before the 1 month elapses, you will not be charged. So you have to put in your details before you can have access to it and also enjoy the free 1 month offer. So when you click on get offer, it will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions, and they will also show you the things you stand to benefit from using or from subscribing. You see the flow there, the flow AI that we're using. When you continue, they'll go ahead and ask you for your details. I use a virtual card, which I believe is the best. So I'll just go ahead and input what I have to input. I hope you've subscribed to this channel and you've given this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you've subscribed in the comment section. I am waiting in the comments. Okay, so just hit the subscribe and then you've subscribed. And now you're on the pro. Now take note. The email address you use to sign up on Google Gemini should be the same email you use on Flow. I hope you get that point. Thank you for watching. If you've got value, let me know in the comments. And if you encounter any challenge, also let me know. I'll be here to help.